Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Last day we were doing the exercise 14.3 and in that 14.3 we have started division of expression. So that day we have done question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 as well. So today I will start with question number 3, one question. Remember, yesterday I have discussed that division should be individually when you have single term to divide with, okay? But if you have more than two terms this side and also more than two terms this side, for example 10y in the bracket 6y plus 21, again division sign, then 5 2y plus 7. Now if you will see this question thoroughly, you will find that here we have multiple terms. Multiple term means you can simply say that here we have one term, here we have one term, and this is written in the bracket form. Means once it will multiply, then again you will have two terms only. And this side also you have two terms. It means जो divisor है बेटा आपका, that is written in two terms. So you cannot divide it individually. This I told you that day. Okay. So remember here what should be the process when you are having this kind of question. Always remember, in this type of question you will have something which will be cutting very easily. How? Look at here the question thoroughly. This is 6y and this is 21. May I know, can we take out something common from this? 6y plus 21, you have studied how to take out common. Tell me, 6y plus 21, what can you take out common? Yes Amit, yes Rahul, yes Abhijay, right? Very good. Correct. Yes, absolutely right. 10y was already written and the common one is 3. Correct. Now, when you take out 3 as common, may I know what will be left inside? Think of it. What will be left inside after taking out 3 as common? Yes. Here we will have 2y and here we will have 3 sevens are 21. So 2y plus 7. Correct. Now let's see what we have in division form. देखो जितना simplify कर सकते थे, we have done it. Now see below what is written. We are here with 5 and also 2y plus 7. हमेशा याद रखो बेटा, it's a trick which I am telling you. हमेशा याद रखिए कि जब भी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो उसमें जो भी टर्म आपको ब्रैकेट में मिलेगा वो कहीं ना कहीं कॉमन निकलने वाला ही होगा. That is why it is given to you for dividing, and always it will cancel also. So see this clearly, just very simply it has cancelled. Also 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. ठीक है. It means नीचे अब कुछ भी नहीं बचा. ठीक है, except 1. Now above what is there? This is 2 and this is 3 and this is y. It means 2 3s होता है 6 and y का y. It means our answer is 6y. Yes, correct Shubham. So this is all about question number 3 that we have done it that day. Okay. Now I am giving you one question related to it. Try it and tell me what answer you will get it from question number 3. Okay. So I'm writing here question number 3. This was, I believe, third one. Now I am giving you question number third ka fourth. Please try this now. 9x square y square 3z minus 24 divided by 27 xy z minus 8. Now the same pattern of the question which we have done it above, the same pattern, the similar pattern is also below written. Okay, just try this out, what you can simplify and find out the answer. Now let's understand the solution of it. The question was 9x square y square, which we cannot do anything. So we have written like that only. Now 3z minus 24. It means if we take out something common, yes, we can take out something common from this bracket. What can we take out common? We can take out 3 as common. Because यहाँ से भी 3 निकल सकता है, यहाँ से भी 3. तो जब आप 3 कॉमन निकालोगे बेटा तो अंदर बचेगा z minus 8. ठीक है. Now division means division. 27 will remain here only. We have below xy, so we have written xy only. And then we have z minus 8. देखो, I have told you ना, हमेशा याद रखो जो भी क्वेश्चन आपके पास आएगा उसमें कैंसिल करने वाला ही टर्म मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो नाउ z minus 8 पहले ही कैंसिल हो गया. xy यहाँ के xy से कैंसिल हो गए 1 1 से. 9 3 27 होता है. आई हैव कैंसिल्ड इट डायरेक्टली नाउ. ठीक है, बिकॉज 9 से 3 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तब भी 27 आएगा, और आप एक एक करके कैंसिल करना चाहोगे तब भी 27 आएगा. ओके. नाउ इफ यू सी बिलो नथिंग इज लेफ्ट, अबव you are only left with one x and one y. It means you are having the answer as xy, yeah, x into y, both are same. Okay, so this is all about the answer, and I think maximum number of the student has given this answer. Wonderful. So now we are moving towards question number 4 of this exercise. ठीक है, third was done now. Now question number 4. Understand and focus on question number 4, what it is saying. Question number 4 is divide as directed. It means हो सकता है इसमें कि आप डायरेक्ट ही कैंसिल कर पाओ, आपको सॉल्यूशन की जरूरत भी ना पड़े. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टेकिंग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट ओनली. द क्वेश्चन इज 5 2x plus 1 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे गौर से देखो बेटा, अगर आप प्रॉपरली देख पाओ तो यहाँ पर भी 2x plus 1, यहाँ पर भी 2x 1, that will cancel very properly, and the first step only. So अगर आप गौर से इसका आंसर लिखते हो तो यहाँ पर आपके पास आ जाएगा 5x 2x plus 1 3x plus 5 upon, because division means upon I have written, then we have 2x plus 1. ठीक है. This and this got cancelled and we are left with 5 and also 3x plus 5. ठीक है. So जब आप आंसर लिख रहे हो, either you write this one or also write it down in the simplest form. Simplest form में क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, इसको इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ बचेगा 15x, and इसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 5 5s are 25. So either you write this answer or you write this answer, both are okay. But अगर पूछा जा रहा है simplest form में तो आंसर आएगा 15x plus 25. Okay, tell me understood or not. Please reply yes or no. Please reply yes or no. Have you got this? Okay, very good. Okay, so one question I am giving you to try right now here. Question number 5 of this question, that is x plus 1 x plus 2 x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. Now tell me the answer orally without solving anything. What should be the answer? You can speak any of this answer. I am okay with it. Without solution, tell me the answer. What will be the answer? Because यहीं से directly दिख रहा है कि आंसर क्या बचेगा. Yes, very good. Snehil. Yes, Shashank. Very right. Very good. Alok Anand, Shubham. Yes, Rahul. Correct. Rahul, use bracket for both the sides. Yes, Pratyush. Correct. Use bracket as well, Rahul. Yes, Suraj. Correct. Ankit. Correct. Anjali. Correct. Anjali, we, right. Sonam. Yes, correct. Very good. Kunal, fine. Anjali saying correct. Also Kunal correct. Divyansh correct. Abhijay correct. Rahul also correct. Very correct, beta. If you will see this question thoroughly, you will find यहाँ पर भी x है, यहाँ पर भी x है, तो x पहले ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा. x plus 1 यहाँ दोनों जगह पर वो भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. बचा हुआ क्या कहलाएगा उसका आंसर? That is x plus 2, x plus 3. This will be your answer. So either you write this or you multiply both of them together and then you write down the answer. That is also correct. ठीक है. So दोनों ही cases में both are correct. Now can we move to a question number 5, which is important from this exercise, or do you want one more question related to it? Please reply in the chat box. Do you want me to discuss one more question related to this pattern, or should we move forward? Next. Okay, thank you. Because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा okay, Riya is telling ma'am one more. Anjali Singh also. Okay, so I'm writing one more question and you try it. Till then, I will rub the board and I will discuss another question. Okay. So the question which I am giving you is 20 y plus 4, and inside the bracket it is written y square plus 5y plus 3. ये सब साथ में है बेटा, हाँ. And you have to divide by 5y plus 4. Think of it and tell me the answer of it. This I am rubbing it. In this also you can give direct answer. There is no need of solution much more. Yes, Shashank, you are right. Alok Anand also, very good. Yes, correct. Pratyush, once you see you are missing one term. Rest everything is correct. You are just missing one term. Riya, Abhijay, reply faster. इसमें ओरली देख करके ही बेटा सोचो कि क्या क्या कैंसिल हो सकता है. Shubham, I believe you have to recheck your answer, beta. Okay, Ankita, correct. Rahul, correct. Abhijay, acha, Abhijay has multiplied. Okay, Abhijay has given the answer in the second form. Okay, correct. Fine, absolutely right. इसको गौर से देखोगे बेटा तो you have 20, then you are here with y plus 4, then you have y square plus 5y plus 3, and below you have 5y plus 4. तो सबसे पहले बेटा y plus 4 पहले ही कैंसिल हो गया. उसके बाद you have 5 and there we have 20, तो 5 4 are 20, वो भी कैंसिल हो गया. It means नीचे अब कुछ भी नहीं बचा. Only we are left with above side, that is 4. उसके बाद you have this full bracket, that is y square plus 5y plus 3. ठीक है. और अगर आपको इसको सिंपलेस्ट वे में आंसर लिखना है तो जस्ट यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट. द आंसर विल बी 4y square plus 20y plus 12. So either you write this answer or you write this answer, both are fine. Okay, so this was all about question number 4. Now question number 4 is also done. Now question number 5 of this exercise has little bit of effort which you have to do, otherwise the process is exactly same. Let me tell you how. In question number 5, the questions are related to, like I am taking the first one, suppose y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. सबसे पहले बेटा तो ये याद रखिएगा कि जब भी हमारे पास यहाँ पर डिवाइजर में सिंगल टर्म से ज्यादा टर्म होते हैं, इट मींस 2 टर्म हो जाए या 3 टर्म्स हो जाए, सो रिमेंबर इस क्वेश्चन से इसका कनेक्शन जरूर है. ठीक है, आप इंडिविजुअली डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, पहली चीज. दूसरी चीज कि इन दोनों में आपस में जरूर कोई ना कोई कनेक्शन होगा, तभी ये डिवीजन के फॉर्म में आपको दिया है. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए क्या करो, ये तो 3 टर्म है, मतलब इसको हम पहले क्या करते हैं, फैक्टराइज करके देखते हैं कि आफ्टर फैक्टराइजिंग दिस टर्म व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग. इसके लिए you can use the method of middle term splitting which I have taught you, which will be very easy method to know. Now tell me, ऐसे दो नंबर सोचकर बताइए जिसको आप ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो 7 आना चाहिए और मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 10 आना चाहिए. Tell me. Think of 2 numbers which you add and or subtract, you will get 7y, 5 and 2. Wonderful. 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 को जब हम ऐड करेंगे we will get 7, और जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे we will get 10. Correct answer. So we can simply write it down, 2y and 5y plus 10. Solve करोगे you will have here y square plus 2y plus 5y plus 10, which is middle term splitting method. And then you can take out common from here, it will give you y plus 2. यहाँ से 5 common निकलेगा, अंदर बचेगा y plus 2. So here at the last आपको मिलेगा y plus 2 and y plus 5. ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा हमारा last step, which is द फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म, ठीक है, ये लास्ट स्टेप हो गया कहां तक का, आपने जब फैक्टराइज किया। अब नाउ कम्स, आपने इसको सॉल्व कर लिया, नाउ कम्स हाउ विल यू डिवाइड इट। So this is my term after factorization. This is division and this is y plus 5. Now आप खुद से गौर से देखिए क्या क्या कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बचेगा क्या आंसर में? What can be cancelled here and tell me what will be the answer left? Yes, absolutely, Alok. Yes. So y plus 5 and y plus 5 will get cancelled because दोनों जगह पर वो चीज है and only the answer will remain y plus 2. ठीक है? Yes, Farhan. So y plus 2 is the last answer of this question. ठीक है? Now do you feel this is tough? इसमें मेन यूज करना है बेटा आपको मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग या फैक्टराइजेशन का। ठीक है? इफ यू नो फैक्टराइजेशन मच मोर, दिस इज जस्ट द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इट। ठीक है, कि हम डिवीजन करते समय कैसे फैक्टराइजेशन का यूज करेंगे। ओके, नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू अ क्वेश्चन टू ट्राई, प्लीज ट्राई दिस, then we will be discussing the next exercise. We'll finish it today, this chapter. So I'm writing a question, think of it. The question is 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Now think of it. सबसे पहले तो जब भी हमको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन हो, पहले वाले टर्म को, इट मींस द डिविडेंड, हमेशा उसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करिए, जितना सिंपल आप उसको बना सकते हो। ठीक है, सो मेक इट सिंपलेस्ट and then tell me the answer, how can you do it? If you will find this, if you will find this question, you will be understanding this, that in these three steps you can have 5 as common from all these three terms. Okay, so अगर हम चाहें तो 5 सबसे पहले ही कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं। If we will take out 5 as common, we will be left with p square minus 5p plus 4. It means we will be leaving with p square minus 5p plus 4. एंड अगर आप गौर से देखो बेटा, तो इसको हम मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग से अगेन वी कैन ब्रेक इट। सो जब आप इसको ब्रेक करोगे तो आप सोच कर देखो, यहाँ पर आपको 5p को इस तरीके से ब्रेक करना है कि आप जब ऐड करो या सेपरेट करो आपको माइनस 5p मिलना चाहिए, और जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करो तो यू शुड गेट 4 ओनली। ओके, सो मे आई नो विच टर्म कैन यू ब्रेक विथ? थिंक ऑफ टू टर्म्स. Tell me any two terms which you can break minus 5p and you should get the number. Tell me faster. Yes, very good, Shashank. Yes, the number can be p square minus 4p minus 1p plus 4. ठीक है, and 5 पहले से बाहर रहेगा. Okay, now when you will solve it, it will give you p minus 4, and here when you will take out, this will be minus 1 as outside and inside also p minus 4 will be left. ठीक है, so जब आप इसको simply solve करेंगे, you will be left with p minus 4 in one bracket, p minus 1 in one bracket, and 5 पहले से ही था हमारे पास. ठीक है, I am only using middle term splitting बेटा, remember this. ठीक है, rest nothing I have done. I have सबसे पहले I have taken out 5 as common ताकि मेरा क्वेश्चन छोटा हो जाए. छोटा होने के बाद I have used middle term splitting which has given me p minus 4 and p minus 1. Now मुझे divide करना था p minus 1 से. So p minus 1 and p minus 1 got cancelled and हमारा आंसर बचा 5 p minus 4. This is the complete solution for this particular question. Tell me, understood or not? If not, please tell me so that I can give you another. If you will see the question beta, it's very simple because यहाँ पर middle term splitting की जरूरत नहीं है. We have a term to factorize, that is p square minus q square. और आपको याद होगा मैंने बताया था जब हमारे पास दो टर्म हो, दोनों ही स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में हो और बीच में माइनस लगा हो, इट मींस यू हैव ओनली द आइडेंटिटी a square minus b square. तो अगर हम बात करें a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर की, तो ये टर्म ब्रेक होगा p प्लस क्यू और p माइनस क्यू में, ठीक है, सिंपल हो गया, एक वन स्टेप में दिस इज सॉल्व्ड. नाउ डिवाइडेड, सो डिवाइडेड मतलब हियर अपॉन आई हैव रिटन 2p, I have written 2p, then I have p plus q, I have written p plus q. Now p plus q से p plus q हो गया कैंसिल, 5/2 कैंसिल नहीं होगा तो 5/2 एज इट इज रहेगा, p से p कैंसिल हो चुका है, इट मींस वी आर लेफ्ट विथ ओनली q, ओके, एंड हियर वी हैव p माइनस q. दिस इज आवर आंसर. अगर आप चाहो तो इस क्यू को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो या 5/2 को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, डिपेंड ऑन यू, बट दिस आंसर इज ऑल्सो फाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. ओके, so this was the complete exercise 14.3. I was thinking I'll be able to start 14.4, which is not a tough chapter, but we have completed till here. That is also, I am also happy for it.